to drive, sir?
Do what you gotta do.
Tap in. Alright, bet. Oh, nigga, you drive link back like this, nigga? Yo, nigga, your neck be like this. This nigga had that bitch in straight lazy man mode. Hold on. I'm about to be in white man mode, drive mode type. So boom, power, we gotta get it in like this. So tell the people how you feel driving this shit, bro. Smooth. That's what I was telling them, cause I know it's a lighter whip, so we feel like you get the power and hit differently type shit. Mm-hmm.
689 pound-feet of torque, I think.
The port torque is 465. 465. Straight, bro. I just googled it like 10 minutes ago. Whatchamacallit. So you got me in sport right now?
You in track?
This is track right now. Alright, bet. See that?
Sport.
Yep.
So, I mean, it really ain't no track.
Yeah, I fuck with the track, you know that. Alright, safety first key. Let's go ahead and put this bitch on the joint. Oh, see, that's different. That boy got the handle with it. Damn, I feel like I'm hitting the rocks. Yeah. I really do feel like I'm in the cockpit. You like my shit?
Yeah, nigga, I was trying to drive that shit. That shit got hella space.
Bro, that's a cockpit, nigga. No cap. Did you lock it? Yeah. Make sure you lock that shit for these heathens come through and try to smash my shit. Where's the mommy?
But you get in the bag though.
True, true.
Busted your shit.
Yeah,
big
Birkin. We get the red eye. Might even get a super stock.
Yo,
no cap. Yeah, facts, nigga. The 200K skirt. Alright, say less. Yes, sir. Alright, we good. Damn. Some bro, I feel like I'm in, this is a whole different field than the Hellcat. I feel like I'm in a go-kart right now. If we keep it in the buck. This is a real go-kart right now. It really feel like I'm a big kid right now. Like I don't feel like I'm in a car. I feel like I'm in some fucking toy. Can you put me on? So I saw that you had the feature where you had the front view camera joint. How you activate that joint in here?
So pause real quick. So you either gotta be going mad slow or like at a full stop. You just get the camera.
So what's that one? Okay, where?
They got the two cameras on the right.
This is right and left.
And they got a 360 cam on top.
So as you guys can see, 360 cam right there. So this is like good for curbs or anything like that. If you're parking it, as you can see, I have grid views of the curbs. That's a big for the buck feature right there, if I'm being honest. Does it automatically pop off?
Yeah,
Alright, got you.
Click the home.
Got you. Say less. So I already went through all this joint. Boy got the Apple CarPlay. All types of smazzy mazzies. I ain't gonna lie, I'm a fast nigga, but I'm not gonna treat my nigga shit crazy. But we gotta touch the highway, cause I don't like driving on streets. Let's see here. Yeah, this joint is really a go-kart. For the pots, all I'm worried about is potholes and humans, nigga. That's it. Yeah, it's one of those ones. And it's automatic, right? There's no paddle shifters like I use on this one when you in track.
You can use paddle shifters if you want.
Right. Right now, all right. Say less. Nah, yeah, I'm straight on the paddles for right now. Yeah, the back view is really non-existent, especially with this sun hitting right now. I could see it, but very faintly.
Yeah, right.
I barely could see who's behind me. But then I forgot we got the camera right here, so it really don't matter.
Yeah, the base 1LT versions don't come with.
It don't come with the camera, right? I seen that. It was a spec.
Would buy that, you literally won't be able to reverse.
At all. Like you gotta look at this minute ass little window joint, and that's it.
Shit size of the Starburst.
Type shit. Real deal though. I'm not rocking with that shit. I need full clarity. This shit's smooth. And what'd you say? What's the top speed in this shit so far, bro?
Fastest I did was 171.
God.
No, 174.
Damn.
And once you touch it, you already know. Like once you touch them speeds,
trust
like,
me, it don't feel nothing, right? You just feel like you just really driving fast as shit. Yeah. But then again, it don't feel like you doing 170 something. Yeah. it just feel like you just going fast as hell. That shit is really crazy. Tap in.
Nah, they got Chinese food in the mall.
Oh yeah, you like that teriyaki joint. What time is it? 6:21? Alright, but yeah, we about to go tap in quick. Let me see, I'm gonna go ahead and get some clearance and just yeah, I like that. Word to me. I'm gonna say, have you ever been in the passenger seat of your joint? Word. He was wink, wildin'. He was giving it up. He knew it was a one-time experience, so he was like, yo, fuck that, nigga. I'm getting this shit.
Feel crazy in the passenger seat.
Yeah. And that was your first time, right?
Yeah.
And then really, like, what would you describe it? Like roller coaster too?
Like when you get out, like, you ever went to the pool and you was swimming around in the pool like all day, and then when you came out and you went,
you felt like you was still
in your pool.
Yeah.
That's how it feel in this.
Word.
You still feel like the G feel.
Already knowing the scouts. I'm gonna let them have all that space. Nigga, this shit's so low. And it's only 50, but I know it probably seemed like I'm doing 800 off the strength. Niggas know me, when I'm on the highway, it's a whole different activation code. Niggas forget I'm really even a driver, like. Yo, hearing that engine is crazy. Yes. Like, it's really amazing. Shit me. So I'm gonna keep it a buck, right? Off of like just doing that. This joint definitely gets up quicker than the Cat. But I think it's the punchback that the Cat got that hits differently. Like, that makes it feel like, whoa. Like, this gives me like, I know once I get to a certain speed, it's gonna go crazy. The Cat, it's like even at 30 and I just hit the gas, it feels different.
Yeah, it's heavy.
Yeah, because that supercharger really goes stupid. Now, if I'm not mistaken, the Z51 is the top spec of the Corvette, right?
Yeah, that's the current moment.
And how many, do you know how many horses that is?
495.
795?
495.
495. Oh, the Z01 too? Z51?
Z51, yeah, it's 495.
Okay.
The one with no specs.
Yeah.
That's 490.
Okay.
So I'm saying they should have put an extra 100 horsepower in there.
At least. I'm gonna say they gotta turn that shit up a little bit more. Yeah, this, you felt that shit, right? Yeah, that shit, this the one. This really a go-kart, bro. I'm gonna go ahead and get off this exit, man. I'll fuck around, take niggas all the way to New Haven, bro. No cap. I ain't gonna lie, you actually can see. Like, it's not that bad. It's not that much of a blind spot. I feel like it's better on the highway. Cause I could just look back, boom, bow.
Most of the time, I only looking like this is wide enough.
It'd be clear, facts, mad clearance.
And plus, it got like the
you could really
indicators on the side of the
so to know if there's a vehicle there, right?
Yeah.
You pretty much could get a base, especially driving this for a while. Like, the car is only so big, so it's like you gonna know it.
It's wide, but it's low.
Yes.
So I can really just squeeze into it.
It's
like,
a precision
really
instrument.
I really wanted
To the fullest. Yo, this joint is fun. I'm not gonna hold you. Nah, this joint is one of them ones. Nah, I like this. Now, how do you know traction control is on and off?
Oh, it's an icon.
So, like, how do you turn it on and off? Oh, duh. You gotta hold that joint.
Nah, you just tap it.
Tie that shit and get loose.
Tap it, icon, orange icon, come on, you put this off.
Yeah,
Say there on out. No traction.
Golly. How often do you drive without traction control on?
Only if I'm like trying to really like bust a corner real quick and just drift into a corner.
Mm-hmm.
Turn the traction control. But you gonna feel it.
Word, hold on, I'm with that nigga.
Get in the middle lane, get in the middle.
Yeah, this one of the ones. Y'all heard that pop? Damn. Yeah, this one of them ones. this one of them ones. That was more. Yo, that shit felt crazy. Yo, that just gave me like a whoa type of feeling, nigga. That was different.
You see the top right corner?
There we go. IP game. Yes, sir. All right, traction control off.
You ain't even tell them about these joints.
That's what I was saying. What is this shit, bro?
Like,
oh, that speed that goes through the whole little joint. So you got trip computer, then you got the performance. So that shows you. Oh, so you could do 0 to 60s and time it. It shows you the G-force. So it's kind of just like the Hellcat with its like SRT pages, with its performance pages. Then you got your audio if you want to put it right there as well. I don't know if you guys really can see that. So you got the audio MOOC right there type. That's that. And then you got maintenance, of course, so it'll let you know what your oil looking like. I'm gonna say big 35, you tweak that. Then you got options. I seen that big mobile.
I'm pretty sure you can only use like mobile one.
Right. That's the same one I'll tap into too. But yeah, nah, this definitely is web. We wasn't right here right now in this type of fucking traffic. Bro, no cap, we have to go to this certain spot. Every time I come from like Hartford, bro, there's like this certain area of the highway I like damn near once it's like 10 o'clock, it's clear as day. And it's the straightest shot. That's why I did one at 193 at. Bro, every time I touch that point, huh?
Is Berlin Turbine?
I'm not quite certain, bro. Basically it's like it's near the Waterbury area type shit. Like it's like basically if you're coming from Hartford and you don't get off that exit to go on the like 95 type shit. I'm assuming that's Berlin Turnpike or something. I'm not quite certain, but
95, Christ.
Yeah, it's a different type. Like that area right there, bro. You could touch whatever number you want. You straight. Like it's really OD.
Yo.
I'm telling you, bro. We gotta tap in one day and just go back to back. And I promise you, it's gonna be an experience like no other. And to put you on game too, when you have your traction control off, it allows more engine power to deliver to your car. That's why I like driving with that shit off.
These joints is like, driving with traction control off. Because the one time I did that,
you started slipping quick. And yeah, if you floor and you don't know what you're doing, you're gonna swing up.
You're gonna swipe up.
Word to me. So imagine me in the Hellcat playing around with that shit, bro. It's definitely a dangerous whip. That's what people don't understand when people say respect the power. That's what they talking about. Like you gotta respect the power. Like it's a different type of automobile. And that's why I would never do no crazy shit like put 1,000 horsepower on these small ass whips.
1,000 horsepower, nigga,
you really spinning in circles and you smashing on some shit.
You gotta swap the tires out.
Yeah, or true, put some bigger tires on, but it's like you can only have so much leeway to do that.
You gotta swap the whole suspension.
Right, literally, you gotta make it a whole new whip.
Everything.
Nah.
That's like 40K.
Type shit.
Give or take, maybe more.
Bro, this shit really, I feel like anybody could just squish me, I ain't gonna lie. Like, this shit is so low, bro.
Go right underneath the little 18-wheeler.
Type shit, like on some Fast and the Furious type shit. I forgot what exit we even gotta get off. Is it 40? Oh yeah, it might be like 38 or some shit. 39, right? Yeah. Oh yeah, I remember now. Nah, this shit crazy. Oh yeah, he heard that engine quick. Ooh, that shit nice. This nigga about maybe trading the cat. I'm about to give me an 8, nigga. No cap. Nah, this shit is tough. God damn, nah, I fuck with this shit. Have you ever drove a Hellcat? You gonna understand what I'm talking about then. You gonna understand immediately. Like, this shit tough. Well, when you get in that cat, bro, it's a different type of fucking, like,
this shit made me torque. Keep it a buck.
You're not real deal. Like, this is an eye catcher. And I was telling them, bro, because like the MSRP for this car, like without anything base model, is only $58,000.
They're not even selling for that now.
That's what I already put them on. So it's like the fact that you could have at one point in time in life, like when this joint first came out, get this car for this price, just for the look, is a bang for the buck.
And you get power too. too.
Type shit.
But that's like the base model. So
Exactly. You're not getting nothing else with it though.
You're not gonna get the side skirt. You might not get the sport.
All you're getting is the look, like, and barely the look for real, because like this one looks different because of the 3LT package. Yo, this shit crazy. Oh yeah, this shit crazy. How many tickets you got on this shit, bro?
0.
0?
I got more tickets in my Nissan than
Yo, I feel like that's the same thing with me, bro. To not knock on wood, I have not yet got a ticket in my Hellcat. That's a scat. Yeah, it's a scat. To put niggas on too, like, no, not really, no, man. I see the little, that's C6 right there, convertible too. I ain't even take the top off these niggas, but I showed them how to do it though. Was that the Porsche? Porsche what? What's the other one? Macan? Is that what it's called? Macan?
Like smaller version of the Cayenne,
Shit, me, man. I can't do this in the cat. That's why I like doing it, because in the cat, as soon as I put my forward to the ground, bro, it's spinning. Like, and that shit is annoying as shit sometimes. Ooh. Yeah. No, real deal. And the boys is right behind me. Blessed.
Any car that can sound loud.
Type shit, they be on it quick. Oh, this shit is crazy. Yeah, this shit is tough, bro. I can't do that in the cat. Like, the cat too wide. This is really a precision instrument. Yeah, I'm in the parking lot acting nasty. Please forgive me. No, this is a beautiful automobile, I must say. Thank you very much for this experience, champion. That was tough. Now let's go ahead and tap into that cat. This is one of them ones.
Shake it like Moroccans do it for your papa. Spanish mommy rockin' Dolce & Gabbana. Bougie bitch, she only eat at Benihana's. Shorty got the cake, can we be honest? Love the run, knows my check, got the comments. Posted with her models, yeah, they got them choppers. You can get these shells, I ain't talking talkers. Niggas got that heat, talking Sriracha. Her shades are expensive Prada. Yeah, my baby fell in love with the Coquillana. Now she wanna take a trip up in Venezuela. I said, shorty, gotta book it, tell me what's the genre. I said, shorty, gotta book it, tell me where we going. Yeah, I'm out this world, baby, learn from me.